Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Life Reviewed. My name is Dave and today we're back with another unboxing videos for which we are so well known. So today we have with us here a Boat fitness watch. This is the Boat Watch Flash. So this is actually one of the few options out there, budget options I'd have to say, which gives a good range of features at a very low price point. Of course, you all know about the MI fitness bands, and those are the you can say those are the king right now. MI is the king right now in budget fitness, MI watch and the MS Fit series. But um, if you want to go, want a more budget friendly option, this is one of the best ones out there. Usually, most of the watches out there, or the bands out there at this price point are Chinese made, and those are really unreliable. You cannot trust the SpO2, the step counts are really off, and all of the things, all of the things are not reliable enough. But this one here, Boat has been in the electronics market for a long time, and they recently launched their series of watches. There is another one which is a square dial, but I have heard pretty good things about this one. So let's see. Let me show you around the box. So Frontier Fitness. So there are three options of this. One is the red accent, red highlight. Another one is the blue one, which is blue highlights, and the third one is a complete black one. You don't get any other option in the dial. All of those are black. So it's a slim metallic design. I was not sure when I bought this that this was actually plastic or metal. We'll see in a few minutes what material it is used. So Boat brandings all around. So coming to the back, 1.3 inch LCD display, of course. At this price point, LCD, you have to accept it. The MI has already OLED, but I guess it doesn't make that much of a difference. It's a small screen. Call and text notification with vibration alert, of course. Camera, music control, sedentary and hydration alert. So again, that is one good thing, because you get sedentary alerts, but hydration alerts not much smartwatches has it, at least at this price point. Weather forecast, of course, multiple sports mode, great. Blood oxygen, so this is SpO2. This is in these days of corona, that is one good thing to have. Heart rate, sleep monitoring, and guided breathing. Okay, I'm not sure, I haven't used this, but yeah, guided breathing seems like a good thing to have. Compatibility iOS 9.0 and Android 5.0. That's nice. Find my phone. So pretty much the basic standard things, but I have to say at this price point, these things are good to have. This is water resistant, IP68, water and dust resistant. So package content, magnetic charging cable, okay, warranty card and user manual, that's great. So yeah, made in China, that's what I was looking for. Mostly it's made in China. The MRP of this is 6,990, that is 7,000, but you can get it during the sale for around 2,500. So that's a very good value for money. So let's see what's inside the box. Okay, right off the bat we see, let's see how that is. Let me just show you. Okay, so this is metal. I had a little bit of a doubt that this might be plastic, but this is metal. Yeah, metal bezel, that's good. So that has really nice carbon fiber texture at the back. I really like that, gives a premium feel. So we have the sensors here. So it's really nice. It's really gives a very good feeling. So coming to the front, so okay, this is a rotating bezel. That is very surprising to see. This usually you got to see this in higher price options. So I haven't seen a rotating bezel in any of the budget options till now. So that is a good thing. Okay, let's see what else is there in the box for the moment. So a silicone strap, not that flexible. I would say this is good. This is perfect. Not that hard, not that soft. Red accents. It looks really nice. So this is removable. There's the clips. So you can you can hot swap it with any compatible bands that you might have, or you can change it anytime. By aftermarket bands you can go for that. So another good thing is this has a metal clasp. Again, at this price point, this is really rare. So recently we did the unboxing of the MS Fit T-Rex. So as you can see, this watch costs around, MRP of this is 12,000. I got this for around 7,000, but still this one has a plastic option. We'll come back to this later. So yeah, the boat branding here, this is a bit tacky, shouldn't be, but I guess I will just turn it around so that it's not visible. Too much branding is not good. Okay, let's see what else is there in the box. So we have the charging cable. This is magnetic. So this is another good thing. This is another good thing that at this price point they are giving a charging cable. You all know that the MI band 5, 6, those cost around the same. So the new one, the new MI band, that costs supposedly it will cost around 3,500. This is actually cheaper than that, and this has a magnetic charger. That's nice. Anyways, so USB, fairly long enough. So what else? We have the boat head sticker. This is a fairly standard thing. Recently I did the unboxing of their Boat Immortal headphone. So same thing, exactly same thing. I'll put the link of that up somewhere if you want to check that out. Again, the same standard thing. The boat puts this in all of their products. So this is just an ad. This just nothing. Doesn't matter that much. So what matters is this 1-year warranty card. So that's nice. They're giving 1-year warranty with this product. And this is the user manual and contents, how to connect with your app, how to download your app, functionality. So this is important, how to change, how to find the phone. So this is usually the user manual. So let's keep this aside. Coming to the watch. So this is the LCD panel. So let me set this up, let me connect that, and I will show you in a few minutes how it actually looks. So okay guys, I have attached the straps and tried to turn it on, but it doesn't have any juice in this. But just for comparison purposes, this is the MS Fit T-Rex, and the screen is of the same size, 1.3 inch, and as you can see, let me try to see if I can just give a hint of what the screen looks like. So I'll be doing the full review of this very soon. Subscribe if you want to see that, and stay tuned. I'll be doing that very soon. So as I said, magnetic, it attaches very easily. So let's see. The magnet seems like a bit weaker compared to the MS Fit, but yeah, the screen, it turned on for a moment. Yeah. So fairly good. The LCD screen, this is fairly good. The DPI is quite good. I won't say it's blocky, the text and all, but of course it cannot be compared to the OLED. So yeah. So you get a fairly good idea, at least some idea of how the screen is. So I'll be doing the full review of this very soon. I'll go cover all the details and all those things. Also, if you want to see anything included in the review, put that in the comment section below, and I will try to cover all the things that you ask for. So that's it guys for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, share and subscribe. Until then, check out one of our latest videos here, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe and goodbye.